Hey friends, welcome back to SheriTV. I know it's been a long minute since we have been here, and I am going to explain at the end of this video where we've been, what we've been up to, and why we haven't been making as many videos on this channel. But because I know it is extremely annoying when you tune into a video and someone has a really long preamble, I don't want to be that person. So today, what we really want to do is get right into a FabFitFun unboxing. I'm also going to tell you while I'm unboxing, when I get to this product, what the number one product in this box that made me renew my membership was. Because when I'm looking at these boxes, I'm always asking myself, is it worth it? Is the price of the box worth it? And there was one product in here that made it, ever so worth it. So let's get right into the beautiful summer box. By the way, this is made with all recyclable materials, which is always nice. This box is huge. I just want you to see here really quickly the size of this thing. It is so heavy too. I'm gonna try to guess how heavy it is. I'm thinking it's at least 25 pounds. So something big is in here. I did renew as an annual member, which means that I get to customize every single item in my box, and I do have a discount code for you in the description below that you can check out if you're new to FabFitFun. You can get the seasonal subscription with a little discount, which is really nice. So the first thing that you'll notice when you open the box, obviously, is the packaging. There's a note inside about the fact that they use recycled materials, and then you'll get a little magazine. Now, one thing that's really cool about the magazine that I want you guys to notice is that there's a QR code on page 5 this time, right here, where you can grab your phone and pull up the QR code, and all of the box details will then be right on your phone. So all of the detail about each item in here is going to be on my smartphone. So I'm going to leave that open during our live stream. Well, maybe I'm going to leave it open. It looks like it actually wants me to log in. So thankfully I have Face ID on my FabFitFun login, and I think I'm almost right in there, and it's going to show me exactly what's in my box. Yes, I did it. So it says it right here, my box. Good to go. Okay. So the first thing you'll notice when you get your box is usually there's some little freebies, coupons, and things like that on top. No different this time. We have one of just the awesomest freebie you could possibly imagine. There's a free packet of Liquid IV in here. Basically, this is an electrolyte drink. It is a hydration drink. I actually have a discount code for you directly for the Liquid IV website, a big discount, and I'm going to put that in the description of this video because we are huge fans of Liquid IV in this house. My favorite is the Immunity, and my husband's favorite is the Energy, but this is guava, which is a delicious flavor. So lucky us, we all get to try some Liquid IV. There's also a coupon for Daily Harvest in here. That's a good coupon, $40 off. And then some kind of a wine subscription coupon in there as well. There were also a few freebies in this box that were like bonuses. You could select a little box and have these added at no extra charge, but they're not really part of your box. One of them was this Smart Water, which is kind of cool. It says Smart Water Tranquility, as it has ashwagandha and tangerine extract. That sounds really refreshing for summer, so I'm okay with that. And then also, I got an add-on item. I love shopping the add-on sale. I got a very big container of some brand of conditioner. I think it's an IGK full liter, and it was an excellent deal, and I love this. It's called Bad and Bougie. So I paid a few extra bucks for this, and this is an Amla Oil Deep Repair Conditioner, a full 33 ounces. My hair gets very dry, and I love IGK products. I've been really happy with them in the past, so I felt it was worth the extra investment to spend a little bit more money on, sorry guys, on the add-on. Did I mess up my hair? Nope, didn't mess up my hair, it's okay. All right, I'm gonna start pulling out some of the items here so we can show them to you, and I don't have to keep reaching back in the box, which can be kind of disruptive. Let's see, here we go. All right. So let's see what we got. Oh, another bonus item. You guys, check this out. I'm pretty sure this was something that I didn't choose or pay extra for. This is a Crest Whitening Emulsions Apply and Go. Just a little bonus item for you. Not even one of the choice items, just a little bonus. Okay, now I'm going to show you the one thing that made me say, I'm going to renew my membership. I had given it a break, which I'm going to tell you why I'd given it a break at the end of the video because it ties into kind of where we've been, but it is this item right here. It is the Dr. Brandt DNA Do Not Age Time-Defying Anti-Age Cream. So this plumps your skin, lessens the look of wrinkles, And to be honest, anytime I see a full-size cream in one of these boxes that I know is going to last me through a full season and I'd normally pay a lot of money for it, to me, it's worth the cost of the box. I believe FabFitFun is $49.99 a season, and this cream is probably somewhere in that neighborhood. So for me, I thought it was worth it. Let me see if I can tell you guys what the value is on that. Hopefully it will let me know. Yeah, $132. Just for this one item. Dr. Brandt Skincare Do Not Age Time Defying Cream, $132. So to me, this right here made it worth it for me. So that was the item when I saw that it was included or it was a choice item, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna have to get that. Okay, what's next? Looks like we've got a Fukai conditioner here. I wonder if this is one of the items that I chose or if this was just a bonus item that was in one of their bundles. But this is the Fukai Technician Color Conditioner. So my deal is that I like to experiment with different conditioners because my hair is super dry, like I mentioned before, and this is just something that I'd never tried before. So this is a $24 value and my hair is color treated. So for me, this was really nice. Okay, looks like the next item in here is the Kyo Body Scrubber. I don't remember seeing this in my selection, so I believe that this might be my bonus surprise item. One body scrubber. Let's see what one body scrubber looks like. Whoa, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to make this work, but I'm assuming you kind of just put your fingers through it and then go to town. That's kind of cool. Okay, all right, okay. Never seen one of those before. Definitely don't own one. So that's fun. All right, what's next? Ooh, we have a pretty little silver box here. Not sure what's in it. I don't remember. Pure Iconic Glow Shimmering Face and Body Dry Oil. Okay. These are wonderful. These dry oils for your body are absolutely wonderful for vacation. So I like to take this on my cruises, and what I will do is when I'm wearing something kind of off the shoulder like this, is I'll take just a few drops of a product like this and kind of brush it across my shoulders, my décolleté, like I'm doing right now, and it just gives you a little bit of extra glow. I can use it on my legs too. I've done that before. I'm not sure how much you can see of that, but it's pretty nice and glowy. If you can see the palms of my hands here, you can see there's a little bit of a gold glisten to that. I'm not sure how much that's coming through in the camera or how much you can see it on my shoulders here, but these are really nice to have on hand and wonderful for cruises, in my opinion. Okay, another very high value item in this box is the Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush. We need to open this. This is a big deal. These are also pretty high value, and I love using dryer brushes. In fact, I used one on my hair today. I think I used the Revlon, the one that most of us have bought on Amazon at some point, which is really great. And I was like, you know, if I use a blow dry brush that much, it can't hurt me to have a second one. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, here it is in the box. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, this is cool. It looks like it has 4 different heat adjustments right here and looks very nice. So these to me are just wonderful because it is like 2 steps of my hair process. I'm drying and I'm almost getting the effect of either a round brush or a flat iron with one of these. So I'm excited to try this out and compare it to my Revlon. Again, really high value. There was another item in here that I actually chose for my son. He's 13 and he's just gotten to that age where he's getting a little bit of pimples coming in here and there. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit here and there. So these Truly Gone Acne Fighting Super Dots are something that you put over a little power pimple when you get it, and it keeps that area clean, keeps your hands off of it, and helps it to go away. So the way that these work is you take one of the little acne patches, press it firmly down, and you leave it on the affected area or the pimple for 6 hours, and then you take off the patch, and it really helps to clear up your skin. So it looks like there are 72 of these in here, and there's 2 different sizes. You can see down here that they've kind of demonstrated them like a Band-Aid size. You got this size and that size. So we will take advantage of those in our household. And our last item is so pretty. This was another, ooh, ooh la la item from the box that really prompted me to revisit my membership, and it was the Lilly Pulitzer lounge towel. I love Lilly prints. They're very expensive though. Their clothing is expensive, everything is expensive, so I've really only treated myself, I think ever, to 2 items from Lilly Pulitzer, and I knew that this would be extremely high quality if I chose it. Do I need another beach towel? Absolutely not. But it's really pretty, you guys. It's more like a bath. I mean, it's more like a thin bath sheet, and I'm sure that this actually does a really nice job of detracting sand and things like that. So very beautiful. I'm not sure what the size is on this, but it looks pretty big. So tell me what you think about the box down in the comments below, and let's talk a little bit about where we've been. For those of you who are just watching for the unboxing and you don't know me, I'm Sherry with SheriTV. Our main channel, Cruise Tips TV, is where we spend most of our time and do a lot of travel vlogging and things like this, things like that. This channel was created to be a product where we shared, a channel where we shared products with you guys. And so in November of 2020, we started working closely with Amazon, doing live streams and showing products and things like that. That did 2 things. 1, it made us more busy because we were spending a lot of time working with Amazon and doing these live streams. Number 2, the other thing that it did is it brought more product into our house. So in order to share products on Amazon, we were needing to buy and sometimes receive more items, and our house was becoming more cluttery than we were comfortable with. And it was getting to the point where when I would do unboxing videos here on the channel, a lot of times I felt I didn't really need the products, and it felt very wasteful to me. So I stopped subscribing to most of the beauty boxes, subscription boxes, just about everything, in an effort to reduce clutter and to go back to being a little bit more of a minimalist. I can't claim to be a minimalist with all the, the different product reviews that we do, but I needed to stop the stuff from coming into the house. And as a result of the time management and not wanting to have a lot of things in the house, we sort of stopped doing videos here on SheriTV, but it was mostly time. We appreciate those of you who have been patient and who follow us still over at Cruise Tips TV. I honestly don't know exactly what our plan is for this channel. We don't intend to discontinue it or anything dramatic like that. It's just unfortunately hasn't been the priority as of the last year or so. So thank you all very much for your kindness and all of your comments and for following us at Cruise Tips TV. We truly appreciate that. And we hope that you've enjoyed just a little fun revival of an unboxing today. I felt like there were some items in the summer box that were so exciting to me. I really wanted to just revive my membership with FabFitFun. It was always one of my favorites. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the box and everything that I added onto it. So enjoy our discount code. Thank you all so much for being patient, for staying to the end and listening to what's been going on with us. Until next time, friends, go do something beautiful.